Welcome back. My name is Maxim from Momoyoga, and today we're going to have a look at how we can customize our automated emails within Momoyoga. To get started, we're going to go and head over to the settings tab within the left menu bar, and we're going to go over to emails. We're going to basically have two kinds of emails which we can customize. We're going to Welcome back. My name is Maxim from Momoyoga, and today we're going to have a look at how we can customize our automated emails within Momoyoga. To get started, we're going to go and head over to the settings tab, and we're going to click on emails. Here we are basically presented with two kinds of emails, optional emails and non-optional emails, which we cannot toggle off, which include registration and bookings and order and payment emails. We can customize any of these emails, but we're going to first go over the optional emails. So we have three birthday emails, which we send out to your yogis when they have their birthday, booking and confirmation email, which will basically be a confirmation email which we send to your yogis after they book a class, and reminder emails for the classes your yogis booked, which will basically remind them a day in advance before the starts that they have this class. These we can toggle on and off, and we can edit them. And one important thing to take into account is to, whenever you have an email in front of you, some of this text will be in between brackets, and these are basically variables which we can edit. I would say it's in most cases and occurrences important to leave this information within here, because this basically pulls information from the data from your yogi to customize the email to, for example, include their name or a specific link which they need to receive. And that's everything in regards to customizing your emails. And that was it for this tutorial. We hope you found it useful. Let us know what you think. And if you want to know more about Momoyo, or if you have any other question, you can visit our help center. And if you enjoyed this video, we have many more videos like this covering a lot of different topics.